A journey is not just about reaching the destination, it's about the experiences along the way. Picture the call of the open road, a beckoning expanse that promises freedom and adventure. Each turn, each bend, holds the allure of the unexpected, the joy of discovery. The road trip isn't just a way to travel, it's a way to live. It's a canvas on which we paint our own adventures, our own stories. Every mile is a story waiting to be told, a memory waiting to be made. You're behind the wheel, the road stretches out before you, a ribbon of possibilities. The hum of the engine is a constant companion, a rhythmic heartbeat that matches your own. The steering wheel, a steady guide in your hands, leading you on this adventure. Outside, the world is a blur of colors, a moving painting that changes with every mile. You journey from the heart of bustling cities where skyscrapers reach for the sky and the air vibrates with life. Gradually you find yourself enveloped by serene countrysides where emerald fields sway with the rhythm of the breeze and quaint farmhouses dot the horizon. The road then leads you to majestic mountains, their peaks disappearing into the clouds, an awe-inspiring testament to nature's grandeur. And then you're amidst the expansive deserts, where sand dunes undulate like waves, and the sun paints the sky with hues of gold and crimson. Each landscape, a different chapter of your road trip tale. As the journey winds down, the road behind you is a trail of unforgettable moments. Every twist, every turn, each hill and dale echoes with the hum of your journey. The sense of accomplishment is palpable, having reached the destination, yet a sweet longing for the road traveled tugs at your heart. The journey, after all, is often more enchanting than the destination. And remember, a journey's end is just the beginning of another. So where will your road take you next?